the new motor, the 4.8, and we've got it kind of tuned up pretty close to where it needs to be with HP tuners. Thanks to Freddie. So we need to do some more data logging and do some more pulls and see what it really can do. So Tommy's just going to roll onto the trailer and hold the brakes, and we're just going to drive over there instead of strapping it all the way down because it's within walking distance. But those aren't actually hooked up to anything. You're just unplugging it. Carefree over there.
Well, I know when to unplug it, man. When it's not writing files. Huge shout out to Zach and Sebastian for letting me use their cable for the data logging ability of my wideband. Yay!
Hey! Hello! So I was really excited to a point. You can call me an asshole if you want, but I felt bad for the 5.7 that was in this thing because now it's got to be torn apart and rebuilt. But that's okay. Just that the 4.8 was going in here, I was like, sweet, I'm going to actually be able to run against him, you know, a little more evenly with my 5.3 and the E36, doing some tandem runs. And so far, it seems like that's not the case because this 4.8 is just chugging along like a monster. And on top of that, he's not even running nitrous yet, so my dreams are being crushed and shattered. And it's not cool, guys. It's not cool at all.
He said, make sure it's under 12 air-fuel ratio when we're spraying nitrous, and it can't be spinning. And I said, good luck. We don't have the room for that.
No, I know.
We need a damn highway.
Yeah, well, nothing a little Texas temp tag can't fix.
Sounds like rod knock.
Don't you say that!
Motherfucker.
Oh, it might blow it up. Freddie fixed a couple more things. I think it might just be like the lifter tick that we were hearing earlier instead of rod knock, but yeah. To be continued. We're going to still, you know, obviously send it.
We're going to send it. We're going to send it right now.
We're going to check oil pressure.
Yeah, so make sure you're filming this over here.
Like this, in front of your face.
I mean, if you got to do what you got to do, you know what I'm saying?
Let's see if I can... This might work. This is going to be awesomely dangerous. Above me, I just looked at the camera the whole time. I have no idea what we did.
Got up to 60 psi.
Yeah.
Good, very good. Alright, well, let's load this bitch up.
Okay. You know, anyone watch that video before throwing up?
The log. We're still logging. Justin, you're supposed to be in control of these things.
right at home.
Freddie did it.
Freddie, he did it.
Freddie the man.
He did it. He did it. Yeah.
Oil pressures are good. Air fuels are good. That was lifter tick, not rod knock. For a 4.8, the thing's fucking ripping. Set the rev limiter at 61 because I'm a pussy. And, yeah.
What was
put
it?
Up to 64.
It was a pussy bitch hoe, I think, is
like,
actually.
bro, it made all kinds of weird noises. Turn it down, please. I told him put it at 59, and he said no. Put it at 61.
Yeah.
Which is plenty. We'll be fine. And then, you know, once we get to an event, start throwing some nitrous at this thing and just tune it based off the air fuel ratios. Call it a day.
And I'm gonna be pissed off again.
It's true.
Yeah.
Very true.
So yeah, so Freddie was doing this from Florida.
You're probably filming like up here. Tilt it down. There it is. Too much down. Florida Freddy. Alright man, let's go fucking hope
Alright.
it's hot. We ain't strapped up. We're not strapped up, just went ahead and sat in the car and holding the brakes because we're only going like a block away.